line plots. These are sometimes also called dot plots. And they can be drawn out with dots, or they can be drawn out with X's. A PE teacher carried out a survey into the participation of teenagers in sport. He selected a sample of 50 students in his school and asked them the question, how many sports do you play? The data he collected is given in the table below. So the first person he asked plays 1 sport, the next person plays 3 sports, the next person plays 5 sports, the next plays 2 sports, the next plays 3 sports, and so on. Display the data on a line plot. Well, how we set this up is we have a look and we see what's the lowest number we have on the list, and the lowest number is 0, so 0 is going to be our first number. And then we see what's the highest number on the list, and 5 is the highest number, so 5 will be the highest number. So we're going to write out our numbers with spaces in between from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make sure that the gaps between them are the same. Then we draw a line going across the top of them, and then we go through our list. So the 1 means we put 1 dot above the number 1 and cross it off. Always cross off a data value once you've used it so that you don't use it twice or you don't forget about it. Then we've got 3, which we put there. Then 5, which goes there. Then 2, which goes there. And so on. And eventually you'll realize that you had 4 people who said 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 people said 0, so we've got 4 dots above 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people said they play 1 sport. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 people. So they play 2 sports, and so on. So this is known as a dot plot. It's a very easy question at Leaving Cert Ordinary level. And just make sure that your gaps are the same in between each of your lines of dots. It can be drawn out with X's instead. And just always check at the end, count up the number of dots you have, and check it matches with the number of data values you were given. So if you add up all of these dots, you should end up at 50 because there are 50 students in total.